Good day and welcome to Think Business 95. Today we are going to talk about physical businesses that have the potential to make around R30,000 per month. Restaurant, cafe. Open a restaurant or cafe offering delicious meals and beverages to customers. Retail store. Start a retail store selling clothing, electronics, home goods, or other products. Fitness center or gym. Establish a fitness center or gym and offer memberships or classes. Beauty salon, barbershop. Start a salon or barbershop providing haircuts, styling, and beauty services. Laundry, dry cleaning service. Offer laundry and dry cleaning services to local residents and businesses. Pet grooming, boarding. Start a pet grooming or boarding business to cater to pet owners' needs. Auto repair shop. If you have expertise in automobile repair, open an auto repair shop. Child care center. Start a daycare or child care center to take care of children while their parents are at work. Photography studio. If you are a skilled photographer, open a photography studio for events and portraits. Bakery. Start a bakery and sell fresh bread, pastries, and cakes. Health food store. Open a health food store providing organic and natural products. Print shop. Offer printing services for businesses, individuals, and events. Farmers market vendor. Sell fresh produce, baked goods, or handmade products at farmers markets. Florist. Start a florist shop, providing floral arrangements for various occasions. Catering business. Offer catering services for weddings, parties, and corporate events. Keep in mind that the success and profitability of these businesses depend on factors like location, competition, marketing efforts, and the quality of products or services offered. It's essential to conduct thorough market research and create a solid business plan before starting any venture.